And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 48. Let me show you how I can blend, for example, a logo or a subscribe button over a video. So we have these two clips. And I stack them. I want my logo, my subscribe button on top, and below is the video that we want to use. Make sure that you're on the logo, then scale it down under Video Basic. I've already shown you that in an earlier tutorial. Reposition it. You can also use the alignment options here, put it to top left or bottom right. Also something that I've already shown you in our CapCut playlist. It looks good. Second effect is to add the blend. Once again, make sure that you're on the logo and not the video. Open a drop down for blend. We add the start position. I add a keyframe. So you can see that here it's all zeros. We add the start. I make the opacity 0%. Go to somewhat the center. I create a new keyframe, make it 100%. Then I go to the end, another keyframe. Always create that by clicking on the diamond icons and then go down to 0 once more. So now it blends in and then blends out. And it's a little bit fast. I've already shown you that as well. We can go to speed, standard, and then use, for example, here the slider. Go to 0.5, which makes it 2 times as long. When the animation gets adjusted in relative duration, so we don't have to change anything here. It blends in and then out again. One more thing, certainly seen, let me go to the center. There's this white background. Would be good if we could get rid of it without affecting the button. And this is what the blending modes are for. You can cycle through them. For example, darken doesn't look too bad, but usually you want to use multiply if you want to get rid of white parts of images and photos. It's going to make them transparent. You can see that here we only have the red color left. It blends in and blends out due to the animation of the opacity. So this is everything that we've done so far, plus the new blending mode. You can bring that all together to create new effects. For example, this video blend over another video effect. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.